Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have another new box for you. Like you can see anything this way. Okay, you can't. It's just this box. But on the back, it is right there. And this box is called the Mary.E. Oh, she's gonna... I hope I don't butcher your name, Mary. Mary.E.Twomey. Twomey. Twomey. Mary.E.Twomey. This is $19.99 a month. It is a fantasy book box. You get an autographed paperback book, an ebook every month. It is a high quality book, and you also get a handwritten note from her, the author, every month. This is her books she wrote. She autographs them, and then she sends them to us. So I did untape it because you know me and some tape, I make a mess. So we are going to get into this, and when you open it, there is my autographed note. And let's see, it says, a note from my desk. May your dreams never be small. Fantasy fiction for high-class dorks like you and me. And then you open it up, and she sends you a personal note and some tea. And it says, this is the tea I'm drinking this morning. I add a spoon of honey and shave in some raw ginger. Enjoy. And this is organic green from Harney and Son. And it says, thank you for reaching out and asking about my Cratejoy box. I have so much fun putting these together. The book that I've chosen for your journey is Underland. I think that's what it says, Underland. You know me and my glasses. Which is book 1 in a 9-part series. At the time, this was my longest series. Right now, I'm staring down the barrel of a 14-book series. So she's writing a new series, and it's a 14-book series. And I had such fun going on this adventure with these characters. I hope you love it and that your day is filled with hugs and mischievous garden gnomes. Mary.E.Twomey. I think that's how you say it, but right there is her name. So let's see what she sent me. Like I said, this is the stuff inside, and there's all our stuff. Okay, let's see what's in this bubble wrap first. I love books. I am quite the bookworm. Okay, this is a small thank you. Please accept this free ebook, and it's Underland. To claim your free ebook, scan the QR code on the back, which will lead you to the free download on Amazon. Thank you for your order. And there's that. And then it says Taste by Mary.E.Twomey. Scan here for your free ebook. And a small thank you. Please accept this free ebook. And then she sent me a necklace. Isn't that cute? It says Moxie, which, yes, I do have some Moxie. That's so cute. I like that. I like that. That's cute. I like that. And then she sent me a 2018, and it's a magnet for your refrigerator, and it says, you are your own greatest adventure. Adventure. And then here is Underland. An Underland novel, part 1, Mary.E.Twomey. And then there's the description. I will read that to you in 1 second. And she gift wrapped the book. Oh, that is so cute. What a sweet touch. I like that. All right, come on now. Open up, open up, open up. I'm so excited to get this book. There it is in all its beautiful glory. Okay, so on the back it says Underland. After her parents and a twin brother died a year ago, Lucy Kincaid was determined to put together a normal life for herself. With her heart set on college life, Lucy's dreams of medical school are dashed when a rabid bear attacks her in the middle of suburbia. When Jens, a handsome yet irritable stranger, saves her life, Lucy's gratitude is cut short when he abducts her, taking her to a land filled with people and creatures she remembers from bedtime stories. She assumed we're just Scandinavian folklore. Jens takes Lucy to a world she never expected and cannot escape. Underland is teeming with oversized garden gnomes, warrior elves, Noken, Fossengrims, and worst of all, sirens. Lucy goes further and further down the rabbit hole until she signs up to join a band of thieves bent on taking down Pesta, the last siren. And there is a picture of Mary.E.Twomey, and it says she lives in Michigan with her husband and 3 adorable children. She enjoys reading, writing, vegetarian cooking, and telling her children fantastic stories about wombats. So this is going to be an interesting read. It is 1 of 7, did she say? Oh my goodness. Oh, there's something inside my book here. Noken, book 2 in the Underland series. So that is the next book in the series. Oh my goodness. There was a sadness to his voice as he sang the tune, filled with slow, sad notes that were meant to be joyful. I just need to know if it's possible that people like me can be happy. And there's that. Then on the back, that's so cute. I love that. It's so whimsical and just love it. Just love it. I love this. I cannot wait to read this book. And I thought about when I did this video, I'm like, well, I can go on here all day long and tell them about this book, but I can't really tell you about it until I read it. So my question is, should I read this book now and then do another video as I'm going along in the book, or read the whole book and then come back on and tell you guys about it? Because I have a feeling I am going to love this book, because I love the whole fantasy side of the reading. I just love that. So, I mean, come on. I'm a girl who watched Vampire Diaries, and I watched The Walking Dead. So, yes, this book is right up my alley. I also read erotic novels. I read really anything that I can read, I will pick up and read it, because I'm just weird like that. But I love to read. I love to be taken to another place. When I'm feeling down, I'll pick up a book and go to a happy place. So these books are going to be awesome. And Mary, thank you very, very much for sending me these books. I appreciate it. And I appreciate people like you that can just sit down and write a book and not care what anybody has to say, but just do what you love. And I appreciate that. And I appreciate that in a person. So thank you again for sending this to me. I absolutely love it, and I'm sure I'm going to love the book. And I cannot wait to get to part 2. I haven't even started part 1, but I am ready to get into part 2 already. So, okay guys, well that is it for this short and sweet video. And I hope that you'll check out Mary.E.Twomey. And I hope I'm saying that right. I hope you'll check out her wonderful little crate or wonderful little subscription box on Cratejoy. I will leave the link down there in the description bar so that you can get to it quicker, because you're going to need this book in your life. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button over there and give me a thumbs up and leave a comment, because I'm sure Mary will be watching this video and she'd like to know what you guys think of her wonderful little box. All right, guys, that's it. Until my next video, I will see y'all later. Bye now.